Hello everybody and welcome back to another eyeshadow tutorial. Today I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is an oldie, but a goodie. And I haven't used it in a while. It's a gorgeous palette. This is my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're doing a cut crease. I love the way this look turned out. So let's jump in. Starting off with the shade Buon Fresco. And putting that in the crease, and this is a transition color, so I'm putting it in the crease, above the crease, and I'm obviously like getting that cut crease shape, like winging it out more so than usual. So I don't know what happened to my clip, but here I picked up Venetian Red. It's a really pretty like reddish violet-y color. I thought it would be perfect for this look. It kind of matches my shirt a little bit. So I'm putting that in the crease. I'm not going as far up as I did with Buon Fresco because I want that first shade to really like pop through. But yeah, I'm just building this color up, putting it in the crease, going back and forth. Like I said, just building it up. I want a good amount of color. So then I took some concealer and I put some right on my upper lash line pretty much. I look up and it gives me my template to cut the crease. I have, like every cut crease video that I do, I usually go into depth, so you know, just watch some of my videos, you'll get the hang of it. I saturate my brush pretty heavily so it's easy to glide across my lid because my lids are, you know, wrinkly and stuff and they like pull. So you have to like saturate your brush so that it just glides across your lid. And that's what I did there. Here I'm taking Vermeer. Oh my god, my palette is like so old. Vermeer, I think it's called. Put that across my whole lid. I used my finger and then I also took a brush and packed it on. I thought it was so pretty. This shimmer shade isn't my favorite, but it totally worked for this look. And then I took this beautiful shade Love Letter, and that is going to be my eyeliner for the day. It just really made this look pop. Like, oh my god. And that Real Techniques brush that I'm using, they don't sell it anymore, guys. I know, it's so sad. Trust me, I didn't want to use it, but I love the brush so much that I had to. It's just so easy to use. Maybe Real Techniques can come out with it again. That would be great. And then I took my Hourglass Airbrush Concealer, my favorite concealer, guys. I know it's better than the Too Faced one. Too Faced one is still really good, but this is also really good. So I just put it underneath to cover up my discoloration, cleaned up my edges, and then I set my under eyes a little bit with the DERMA E loose powder and then the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder. I like a little duo action. My under eyes are flawless. I used Kiss lashes in Pret-a-Porter. They look like this, super pretty. The band is a little bit thick, but it actually looks really good, so I can't complain. I am lining my lower lash line with Love Letter so that it, you know, goes right up into my wing. It like, you know, just blends in with each other. Blended it out a little bit with Buon Fresco, and then my eye look is donezo, guys. I love this look. Practice. If you guys are having issues with cut creases, just practice. You'll get the hang of it. But this is the final look. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have anything to say, go ahead, leave them down in the comments below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.